Hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel for Mama Diaries and sending hugs para sa inyo. So ngayong gabi, ang ulam po ng ating mga alaga, sinabawang malunggay, wet food na pang dog and pang cat, with dog food and cat food. Panoorin nyo muna si Nick Ayan masigasig. Basta kakain masigasig yan. Tingnan niya siya hindi titigilan hanggat hindi yung binigyan ng pagkain. So ayun, umpisa na po natin magpakain. Stay tuned!
I've come so far away from home. There's no way I'm turning back now. My destination.
Yan, ang una natin pinagbigyan ang mga boys. Bali 5 sila dyan. Si Zami, si Zumi aka Nick, si Kirat, si Joaquin, at saka si Kirat. Ay sorry, si J3 pala. Mga boys lahat yan. So tigi isa-isa lahat sila, tapos may extra silang dalawa. Bali konti lang yung laman yan para yung mga mabilis kumain is meron silang napupuntahan, hindi yung agawin nila yung sa kasama nila.
Is unknown, so I'll keep pushing, never slow down. A big blue sky, a pocket of dreams, a head full of hopes, possibilities. I'm taking a chance to reach for the stars, for the stars. If I fall, then I'll get back up, try again, come back stronger, no one.
Ito naman po, bibigyan na po natin si Maxine, tsaka si Simba, at tsaka si Noknok dyan. Wait lang po, ipapakita ko po sila sa inyo. Kung sino si Simba, si Maxine, si Noknok. Ayan si Maxine. Yung nasa gitna si Maxine yan, tapos yung nasa dulo si Simba yan. Hindi lang siya masyadong makita kasi medyo madilim doon, pero nandyan siya si Simba sa dulo. Kung mapapansin ninyo, meron plywood dun sa gitna kasi kapag kumakain, itong si Maxine lagi niyang inaaway si Simba. Tinatahulan niya ng tinatahulan. Pero pag hindi nakakain, okay na sila, naglalaro sila. Okay naman sila, magkasundo sila. Ito naman si Noknok. Si Noknok, alisin muna natin yung poop niya bago natin ibigay yung pagkain niya. Madalas kasi sa mga magkakasama, sa kanila magkakapatid, siya lang nagpo-pop sa cage niya. Hindi niya kayang maghintay kahit na pinapalabas naman sila in time.
Let's keep chasing the sun, do what can be done. Let's go beyond, push the limits, take flight. We'll break through the sky and go beyond the stars. With every step we take, we'll lead the way. These walls, we're breaking them down, and we'll leave them all in the dust.
So dito guys, palalabasin muna natin si Rara at saka si Dos para makakain din yung dalawang cats na kasama nila sa loob na si Sunshine at saka si Luna.
New horizons waiting for us.
Ayan, tingnan nyo si Luna at saka si Sunshine, papalit-palit sila sa may pintuan. Ayan, nabigyan na natin sila ng pagkain nila at kumakain na sila. Kung naririnig nyo yung matinis ang boses, yun si Tres. Ayun talaga matinis ang boses niya. Pomeranian. Super liit. Tapos, ang yabang-yabang.
Because we were made to go beyond. I won't forget where I came from. I'll use my past to build my future. Keep moving forward.
Binigyan naman po natin ngayon ng pagkain is si Athena at saka si Ginger. Sila lang dalawa dyan magkasama. Kasi hindi sila nag-aaway.
Beyond what they thought possible. If I fall, then I'll get back up, try again, come back stronger, no one.
Ito naman po si Awi, si Honen, at saka po si Handsome.
Let's go beyond, push the limits, take flight. and go beyond expectations and dreams to be stronger, to put
Ito naman po si Sassy. Siya po ang pinakaunang cat namin na iniregalo po sa amin dati doon sa inilapatan naming bahay nung nangungupahan pa po kami. Ito naman po si Nero at saka si Yuri. Si Nero yung nasa kaliwa, si Yuri po yung nasa kanan. Pareho pong Chihuahua, half Shih Tzu na nirescue po namin.
Let's keep chasing the sun to what can be done. Let's go beyond with every step we take. We'll lead the way. These walls, we're breaking them down, and we'll leave them all in the dust.
Oh, ito na si Tres. Yung matinis ang boses. Lundag yan. Talagang hindi tumitigil umundag at saka mag-aw-aw yan kapag hanggat yung binibigay yung pagkain niya. Sobrang tinis pa naman ang boses niya. Sobrang kulit. Tapos kapag nakalabas yan, sobrang yabang yan. Paano mo yung lagi-lagi niyang dog?
New horizons waiting for us, because we were made to go to go beyond.
Ayan naman po si Dos at saka si Rara. Madalas po dyan sila kumakain.
Do you hear that? My Santa
So, ang pinapakain natin dyan is si Flora, si Peeper, si Balat, si Gray, si Hope, si Nosel, si Tiger, nabanggit ko na ba lahat? 7 sila, bale.
about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. Crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't
Pa-slow mo lang ng minsan. Oh, lundag. Hop, lundag. Sige, ganyan sila kakulit pagkakain na.
a palm tree inside, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender.
Ito naman si Ashanti, si Shancy, si Singket, at saka si Dita. Short of Maldita.
I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it.
Yung kapatid kong bunso yung balik-balik dyan. Pinupunasan niya yung ihi ni Tres.
Till the sun's up Monday.
Dito naman si Pikachu, si Teng-Teng, si Pan-Pan, si Saji, si Wally, at saka si Mermer. Mga babae lahat sila dyan.
Telephones, do not disturb. I got my straw hat, babe. And you can finally pull the tags on your Tommy Bahama shirt. Blue crush up on the 85-inch sound machine. When we wanna hear the ocean, I think everything we need is right here. And there ain't a palm tree inside, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Oh, this view of you, it's got everything I need. Yeah, the rooms, they're cheap. And if we
Dito naman po si Peipei. Pangalawa po kay Sassy na napunta sa amin is si Peipei. Yung may orange po na, yun o yung nasa taas, yung may orange yung tenga niya. Tapos si Lira, si Cozy, si Zillian at saka si Ponpon.
We don't ever have to leave. Yeah, there might not be a point.
Reminder lang po, bago po tayo magtapon ng mga delata, make sure po na pitpitin po natin para safe po sa lahat kahit sa mga stray. Hindi po nila maisiksik yung ulo nila or hindi po sila masugat kasi matalim po yung lata. Salamat po!
Inside, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender. Baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. 'Cause